Hey everyone, in this video you can find all the information needed to rent an apartment in Prague. Let's get started. First thing first, should you go with broker or non-broker? Let's figure it out. For the guys who don't know who are the brokers, so brokers are the intermediate people who can help you find an apartment and will charge for it. Here are some of the pros and cons of brokers. Brokers often have access to large inventory of apartments, including some that may not be listed on public websites. They handle most of the paperwork, negotiation and arrangements, making the process smoother, especially for the foreigners. Many brokers speak English and can help bridge language barriers. Brokers know the local market, neighborhood and pricing well, and they ensure the rental agreements comply with local laws, reducing legal risk. Now let's start with cons. So brokers charge a commission, typically 1 month's rent. Some brokers might pressure you into making a quick decision, and the quality of service can vary from broker to broker. On the other hand, renting directly from owners or the non-brokers can have different pros and cons. Let's start with pros. So there is no commission fees associated with this, and you can directly negotiate with your landlord. Apart from this, owners might be more flexible with lease terms. And now cons. Here you can find fewer listings compared to brokers, and you might need to handle all the paperwork and legal aspects. Dealing with owners can be difficult if there is a language barrier. And last, higher risk of encountering fraudulent listings. So as per your priority, you can decide if you wanna go with broker or you wanna rent an apartment directly from an owner. Next, let's talk about right area to live in. Prague offers variety of neighborhoods, each with its own vibe and price range. Here are some options based on the rent prices. Prague 1. It includes Old Town and New Town, known for historical landmarks and luxury apartments. Prague 2. Includes Vinoradi and Vyšehrad, popular with expats and young professionals. Prague 6. Includes Deviska and Brevno, known for a green space and upscale housing. Prague 5 includes Smiko and Andel, a mix of modern development and good public transport links. Now let's start with the mid-range areas. Prague 3 includes Zitsko, known for vibrant nightlife and affordable housing. Prague 7 includes Lietna and Holešovice, popular with young families and artists. Prague 4 includes Nusle and Podoli, a mix of residential and business areas. Prague 8 includes Karlin and Liben, an up and coming area with modern developments. Now let's look at the areas where you can have apartment in very low rent. Prague 9, it includes Vysosany and Prosek, residential areas with most affordable housing. Prague 10 includes Versovice and Strasnice, mix of older and new housing. And Prague 11 includes Hodo, mainly residential with more affordable housing. Prague 12 includes Modrani, suburban area with lower rental price. Once you have chosen your area, now it's important to know the apartment notations. So let's start with those. 1 plus KK, that is one room with a kitchenette. 1 plus 1, one room with a separate kitchen. 2 plus KK, that is 2 rooms with a kitchen. 2 plus 1, that is 2 rooms with a separate kitchen. 3 plus KK, that is 3 rooms with a kitchen. And 3 plus 1, that is 3 rooms with a separate kitchen. Now let's start with the additional expenses. This is also one of the important part of your budget. Make sure to account for electricity and water expense, Wi-Fi expenses, potential cost for visa related documents, lease extension cost related to changing roommates, brokerage fees if you are using a broker. And here is a pro tip: be mindful of the type of heating in your apartment. Let me share a quick story about my friend. One of my friend, he came to Prague and without any research, he rented an apartment. The rent was only 8,000 Czech crowns, but at the end of the month, he got electricity bill of 12,000 Czech crown. What happened? He chose an apartment with electrical heater. So always check the type of heating that apartment has to avoid such shocks. Alright, that's it for today. If you guys find this video helpful, you can like, share and subscribe this video. Apart from this, we have our Telegram community which you can join and ask your visa related questions. Thank you.